In this video, we're going to understand what an inequality looks like on a number line. So if we have a problem like this that says, what inequality does the number line show? And we have a number line here. We have a filled in circle, and then we have a line with an arrow on it going this way. So we need to figure out what inequality this is. So a filled in circle includes the number it is located on. An open circle does not include the number it is located on. So that's important to know. So for this one, the circle's filled in, so it includes the 10. Step 2. We are trying to write an inequality that says the variable can be anything shown by the arrow and circle. So the number can be anything that's included in this line and circle, right? So it's 10 and anything greater than that. The arrow keeps going forever, okay? So this is a good time to review. When the numbers are getting bigger, the arrow goes this way. This would mean greater than. If the arrow is going this way, the numbers are getting smaller, and this would mean less than. So now, since x, which is the variable we're trying to find, can be any number greater than or equal to 10, the inequality is x is greater than or equal to 10. So we could see that the variable or the inequality for this is x is greater than or equal to 10 because we're going this way and it includes 10. It could be any of these numbers. And that's all there is to this. And if you need more help, check out the description below. There's other videos of mine. There's links there that are related to this. As well, you could download the ebook. You could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.